How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to do so, and no one will be able to see when you're online or last active. So let's just jump right into the video. First of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone, and you can go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon in the bottom right, like this. Just go over and tap on it and access your profile. And once you do so, what we can do is from the section, you can look out for the profile or the menu icon in the top right, the three horizontal lines, and just go over and select the option for settings and privacy or directly open up your settings and activity. And from here, what we can do is we can just go over to the section for activity status. You can scroll down for that. You may head over to the section called how others can interact with you. And once you are here, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for the option called activity status. Just go over and tap on it. It should be inside messages and story replies. Tap on it. After you tap on it here, we'll be seeing option called who can see your online with show active status option. Head over there, and after that, you can just go over and you will be seeing a toggle option. So if this option is turned on, it will show active status. If you want to turn it off, you can tap on it. And now your followers and people you message will no longer be able to see when you're online. You can just go over and do so. You can still see other people's active status even if yours is off. But remember, this affects the direct messages and people want to see the green dot or last seen time in chat. It's a great way to stay private without blocking anymore. And that's it. Now you have successfully turned off your active status on Instagram. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video.